Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulullah. Hello everyone, how's everything? We are doing all. First of all, my name is Ali Mustafa Al-Marsi and I'm a mathematics teacher. Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about something called inverse function. Let's talk about this one. Let's have an example there so that it will be clear for you. For example, here, if you have f of x equals 3x minus 1 and x minus 2. Okay, we need to find the f inverse of x. How can you find this one? The first step you are going to do, instead of f of x put y, write everything the same. Then you are going to replace hx by y and hy by x. This is the second step. So that instead of y put x, and instead here of x put y. Okay, and instead of the x down here in the denominator put y, يبقى y minus 2. Okay, that's good. What you will do after that, you are going to make cross, multiply both sides by y minus 2, يبقى y minus 2 times x equals 3y minus 1. Use the distributive property, multiply x times y, it will be here xy, x minus 2 times minus 2 minus 2x equals 3y minus 1. What we'll do after bring the terms has y with the terms has y. Okay, so that this one has y, xy, I will going to bring this one here for this side, xy minus 3y, and shifting minus 2x to other side, it will be 2x minus y. Here y and here y, take y as a common factor here, so that what is the rest inside the brackets here, you have here x and you have here minus 3 equals a 2x minus y. Okay, be sure when you are going to find f inverse or inverse function, we want it to be y as a subject and the other side has a variable x. So that here I want y to be alone, I'm going to divide both sides by x minus 3, so that here y equals 2x minus 1 over x minus 3, and this one f inverse. Instead of y, you put f inverse x equals what? 2x minus y minus 1 over x minus 3, and this is your final answer. What can you notice there or figure out here? You can figure out here here hy changed to be x, and before from the beginning here it was here y equals 3x minus 1 and x over 2. See, now everything change, right? So that here in y equals 2x minus 1 over x minus 3, and we call this one f inverse of x or inverse function. Let's have another example so that it will be clear with you. Okay, you have here another example here, saying what is the thing here, find f inverse, and if from the beginning he giving you here f of x equals here 2 over x minus 1 plus 5. What you are going to do, the first step as I told you, instead of f of x put y equals 2 over x minus 1 plus 5. What you will do after, okay, replace every y by x and x by hx by y. Here y, you are going to replace it by x equals 2 over here x put y minus 1 plus a plus 5. Okay, that's good. What you are going to do after shifting this 5 for other side, so that it will be here x minus 5 equals 2 over y minus 1. Okay, what you will do after that, okay, Here we need y to be alone, right? So that I'm going to multiply here both sides by y minus 1. Okay, so that here y minus 1 times x minus 5 equals what? Equals 2. Okay, that's good. What you will do after, here you can divide here both sides by x minus 5 and here divide by x minus 5. Okay, this one it will be cancelled, so that here you have y minus 1 equals what? 2 over x minus 5. What you will do after shifting the 1 for other side, so that you have here y equals 2 over x minus 5 plus 1. Okay, and we are going to write f inverse of x equals what? 2 over x minus 5 plus 1. This one you can make it as only one fraction by you are going to simplifying this one, and this one f inverse of x. Okay, so that again the first step. Instead of f of x you are going to put y, replace hx by y and hy by x. Try to make y as a subject, try to make y only in one side and the other variables only in one side. Okay, you got it? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.